My name is Emma Rodwin, and I'm the Upper School Director of Education here at Butler Montessori. And I want to talk to you today about the differences between Butler's high school program and a more traditional school program. So the biggest difference that comes to mind for me is that at Butler, we are following the interests of the child or the adolescent in this case. Students are able to explore their interests to figure out where are their passions, what kind of career might they want to pursue in the future, what is the path that's going to get them there. We recognize how important that exploration is here, and so we are designing courses and providing opportunities and experiences that allow adolescents to investigate that question for themselves. So not only is it, what kind of person am I, but what do I want to contribute to the world, and how can I do that? This is the core question that we're committed to answering. How do we do that? We have a wide array of academics, including high-level sciences, humanities, world languages, English courses that are all designed so that students can pursue them to their degree of challenge, right? So as far as they want to pursue, even into college-level courses, they have the ability to do that. In addition, we provide experiences that are outside the classroom because we know how important it is for the older adolescent to explore the world, right? And to really figure out what is it that exists out there and how do I feel about that as I investigate it. So what does that look like? That would be opportunities for trips to go places all the way around the world and for extended periods of time, including exchange programs at other Montessori schools. That would also look like internship experiences, getting some real world opportunities in order to work with professionals and figure out, is this something that I could see myself doing in my life? It also would look like job shadowing experiences. Maybe you're not ready to commit to a full-time internship, but you just want to know a little bit more about what it's like to work in a hospital or be a vet, right? Having the opportunity to actually talk to experts in their fields about what they do is so valuable for the adolescent. And using our network of connections, we can bring students into the wider community to have those opportunities. One of the other pieces that's so important at Butler in the adolescent program, both for middle school and for high school, is about financial literacy and entrepreneurship. The adolescent students, the middle school students, have their own student-run organic farm. For the high school students, their role is to take that farm and those entrepreneurship experiences to the next level. So not only is it about selling to their smaller Butler community, but about getting out to a wider community. It's about really understanding how to start your own business and how to hire, how to keep books, how to really understand what it takes to be successful in the real world with real world skills.